inside is vacant. I'll walk y'all through it. Y'all see it. Give me a like, thumbs up. The money will come at y'all. Alright guys, I got this lead, came in from actually cold calling, and as you can see the property is vacant. Definitely has a forest going in the side of it. Basically the owner wants a little bit too much for this property, but we in negotiations trying to talk them down and see what can we work out on price. As you can see, the roof needs work. Grass is growing everywhere. They got holes in the roof. It's basically bad condition. You see all the rooms are messed up. Look at the hole in the wall, hole in the ceiling. The flooring was real bad in here. You can see all the walls and all the flooring is out. And check out right here. Look here, this is the bathroom, and as you can see, the bathroom is all the way outside. Somebody took the tub out of this house, man, and it's this is what you call pretty much tear down, but we're trying to work with the owner on price. He wants, it's a multi-family. It's 3 beds, 2 baths. So we're trying to work with the owner to see if we can get it for something reasonable, and just maybe put a couple of dollars in his pocket and try to see if we can sell it off to an investor. But as you can see here, this bad boy needs a lot of work. So this is the back door. It looked like some squatters been in here. So, just trying to work it and see, y'all. See what we can do. The money from myquitmyjob.com.